with my first ever camera, my Insta360X4 dream camera, which is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. What's up with you all? This is Rose again, and for today's video, we are not going to be doing a shopping haul like what we always used to kapag naka-sit down video ako. But this time, I'm gonna be sharing with you my mini collection of my camera. So after being here for 1 year, hindi ko namamalayan na I'm already building a small collection of camera as a girl who loves to take pictures and videos, who wanted to capsulate the memories and the moments of being in here. Hindi ko namamalayan, ang dami ko na palang camera. And I'm not complaining. I am so grateful about it kasi it's been always my dream of having this cameras, and I'm so thankful that I am able to get it using my own hard-earned money. So yeah, so let's start. This is gonna be a short video kasi hindi naman ganun kadami to. But yeah, let's start first with my first ever camera. So this is a Fujifilm. This is a Fujifilm Finepix J10. So ayan. So this is a vintage camera. So my friend Dockery, she's my colleague, she's a local here in the US. I remember one time we had the trunk or treat, yung November or October event namin sa school, and I saw na yung anak niya is merong vintage camera, and I was like, grabe, gusto ko yun. And she said na nakuha niya lang yun sa yard sale for I think $10 or something closer to that amount. And I was like, what, $10? Kasi I remember may sina-follow ako na Instagram account sa Philippines pa ako noon, and it cost roughly 3,000 to 5,000 pesos, which is almost $100 here. And I feel like, sabi ko sa kanya, and I'm very vocal about it, na once na meron silang nakita ulit na yard sale, and nakakita ulit sila ng digital camera, just let me know, kasi I really wanted to have that vintage effect camera, and this one is very perfect. She got me this for only $17, 17 bucks, and it already includes 2 battery, the charger, and this one. And what I love about this camera is it has already a built-in flash, so which makes it more vintage look, and it's an 8.2 megapixel camera, which hindi siya nagtitake ng so much space. So sa 64 gig, I think 64 gig memory card yung nandito, it will gonna be capsulating a lot of pictures. Kaya nitong makapag-picture ng madami kasi hindi ganun kalaki yung weight ng isang picture. Does it make sense? So yeah, this is the first one. Again, this is the Fujifilm Finepix J10. So next is, I have my, after this one, after few months, I remember during the springtime, kasi pupunta kami ng cherry blossom sa Washington, and I got this camera. This is my Insta360X4. So this is an 8K waterproof action camera, which can shoot 4K wide angle videos. So this is a very good outdoor camera na gawa naman niya yung job niya when we went to Washington for the cherry blossom season, and it's just so hard. Nahihirapan lang akong magtimpla ng settings niya, but the ability to capture 360 and the what you call that one, the quality is really superb. So meron siyang camera dito and meron siyang camera dito, and I am so excited to be able to have this in the Philippines kasi sobrang daming mga outdoor activities na pwede nating magawa sa Pilipinas, and I know that I'm gonna be able to use this much. Kaya sabi ni Minette, ibenta ko na daw kasi nga nahihirapan ako nung una, pero sabi ko sa kanya, no, hindi ibibenta ng tao na to kasi alam kong may mapagagamitan ako nito. So yeah, this is my second camera. Next is, this is just the recent camera na unbox ko na din sa inyo, which is my dream camera, which is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So this is a game changer camera. This is the most compact, ito yung pinakamagandang vlogging camera na handy, na, I don't know, baka bias ko lang talaga to. But yeah, I love it, and I used this when we were in New York trip, and it did its job. Nagawa niyang makapsulate lahat ng moments na nandun kami, and it's not that big. I can just use it like this or something. I think the only downside of it, dahil nga it's a vlogging camera that can shoot 4K video, is that sobrang bigat ng files niya. So nahihirapan ako kapag nagta-transfer ng mga files, and if I wanted to like render it kapag dina-download ko na after I edit it, ang tagal niya mag-download. It's because sobrang bigat ng file, dahil nga sobrang ganda naman talaga ng quality. It's like 4K 60 FPS, diba? So yeah, I love it, and hindi ko to ibabalik or hindi ko to ibebenta. Magsasama kami hanggat kailan namin gusto. Cheers. So, yon. So, this is the third camera that I have. So, next is, this is my fourth camera. And this is the last for the meantime. And hindi ko pa siya na-unbox. Kakadating lang nito kahapon. And I'm so surprised kasi, inano ko siya, finast delivery ko siya, pero hindi ko siya binuksan. Parang ano pa yung sense kung bakit mo pinaaga, di ba? Kung hindi mo rin naman bubuksan agad. But yeah, so let's open it. So, I feel like I already have a vlogging camera, a digital camera, and an action camera. And I think this will complete yung gusto kong set of camera na. So, siguro hindi na ako bibili ng camera in the next years. Hindi ako nagko-commit. But then, I hope so. So, my next camera is a Fujifilm Evo Mini Evo Hybrid. So, this is a digital film camera. And I've been wanting to have a film camera or this kind of camera kahit nasa Pilipinas pa ako. Nare-remember ko kapag dumadaan ako sa SM Dasma, tapos may madadaanan kami na parang electronic shop doon. Tapos makikita ko yung Instax na mini, yung may iba't ibang mga cute pastel colors. I really love that. And hindi ko siya mabili kasi with the amount of salary that I have in the Philippines, I feel like it's not worth it. Parang ang dami pang pwedeng gawin, ang dami pang pwedeng pagkagastusan. But yeah, so in here, I got it in color black. So there are two colors that you can choose, the black and also the brown. But I opted to have the black kasi I am thinking of getting it a clear case and then just putting stickers and pink thingies on it. But yeah, what I love about this camera instead of the mini film that has a cute pastel colors is that this one is a hybrid camera already. Unlike yung isa. Kasi doon, pagka picture mo, diretso na lalabas yung film. And I feel like, paano kapag pangit yung picture, diba? Sayang naman yung film. Ang mahal ng film. So, ito yung film. Ayan siya. So, I got the bundle para hindi na ako mamomroblema. So, it includes 20 sheets of film. So, yeah. Titipirin natin to kasi mahal to. But, yeah, the other thing I love about this, sabi nila, this is a top-of-the-line film camera since it's a hybrid. So, you can take picture of it and then you can, pwede mo siyang matransfer sa phone mo. And if you wanted to have that effect digitally, yung magkakaroon ka ng copy. And it has a 10 different lens with 10 different film effects. Ganon, something like that. 10 different lens effect ha. Hindi siya yung iba-ibang lens. Pero, but yeah, let's unbox because I never saw this one. Tada. We don't know until we find out. So, before that is, meron lang siyang, as usual, mga connectors and I think strap to. Yeah, strap siguro to. This is the manual. Sa manuals na hindi naman natin binabasa. And yeah, this is the strap. Yes. And meron lang siyang nakalagay na Instax. And then, let's go to the camera itself. Let's open it. Ta-da! Wow. Hindi siya mini ha. Sa kamay ko, mukha siyang hindi mini. But yeah, let's remove the bubble wrap. Oh my God. Tada! Hindi ko alam kung paano. Pero lightweight siya ha. To my surprise, hindi siya ganun kabigat. And I love it. And oh my God, nag-open siya. Bano. So, let's click English. So, today is August 15. Oh my God! Oh, different film. I see. So, this is just a normal. Oh, okay. Oh my God. I love it. But yeah, I'm gonna be, so this is yung on and off. I'm gonna be trying to explore this more later. But yeah, those are my mini camera collection. So I got the Instax, I got the Insta, I got the DJI, and I also have my digital camera, which is the Fujifilm. So yeah, I'm so happy and I hope hindi na ako bibili ulit ng susunod na camera kasi Hindi mo naman na ata kailangan. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed weekend and have a good one. See us in the next video. Bye!
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it.